all, just doing a real quick video on the tomato stem core. It does come in a pack of 2. I've already opened up one of them, what it looks like. And what I wanted to be able to do is, another one of the many uses that you can be able to do with it is, instead of just using it just for tomatoes, you can also use it to be able to core the persimmon fruit. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, you see the little rough edges right there? I'm going to go ahead and move this on the side so I don't get that, dirtied on up. But what you go ahead and do is go ahead and move the stems on back. And you can use this, or you can use either the stem core, or you can use your hands. And just push it on back. And then right where the little round thing is, you're just going to go ahead and just push that on off. Is go ahead and use little ridges there to poke inside of the fruit. And then you can be able to just go around it. And you can be able to take the stem right out. Look at that. Do you see that? Got it. Perfect. Perfectly. See? And then you can be able to go ahead and eat the fruit inside of it. The persimmon fruit. Thank you so much for watching.